This is not a sales conference. It's an innovation sharing conference.
I think it's a fantastic opportunity and a great way to get the whole PLA community together.
It's nice to see the diversity of companies here.
The most exciting thing about being here is the interaction.
It's a great way to get people together to collaborate and think about solutions.
You can't get this kind of depth at any other conference. I think for anyone thinking about going into biopolymers and Ingeo, this is the place to be.
I think it's a great mix of people, whether it's the scientific community, the supply chain, manufacturing, end users.
This is a users forum. It's not a conference where people talk at each other or present to each other. We talk with each other, we share.
To meet people from all different stages of the process, from the raw materials to the processing to the conversion. There's a very diverse audience that we can learn from.
And by the way, I start to see faces here which weren't there a couple years ago. The feedstock suppliers, Thai sugar companies or European sugar companies. They're not here to sell sugar. They're all here to learn about what we're doing and to learn about the industry.
It's really an international event.
Over half the people are coming from outside of North America.
One of the highlights of the conference, talking to attendees that have come as far away as Thailand, Japan, Indonesia.
And it's every part of the supply chain. And they're people who are really thinking deeply about these issues.
So I see PLA not in the same form that most people see it. I see it as an enabler.
For us in Kodak, it's the way we manufacture these materials and the things that we can make the materials do, incorporating biopolymers as well as other natural raw materials.
What we always try to do in the exhibition is really show kind of here is the next big thing, here is the next evolution.
It's an exciting time for biopolymers.
Feeling of newness, innovation, you really can sense it.
There's a big emphasis of course, on 3D printing.
The 3D printing there, just to see that in action, I've heard a lot about it, but to just watch it work is just mind-boggling.
It's fascinating to see how much happens in a 2-year time period. I mean, we're all looking at 3D printing today as if it has been around forever. Well, ITR3, which is just 2 years ago, I had no idea what 3D printing was.
And to hear now cutting-edge, big brand companies talking about 3D printing and how it's transforming their product and manufacturing is incredibly exciting and rewarding to see.
Personally, I feel this is our best conference we've had up to now.
It has exceeded my expectations.
Yeah, attending the conference is invaluable.
If you want to learn about biopolymers and Ingeo, this is the place. This is where the experts are.